Sio₂, H₂O, carbon. Energy that knows code. In this film, we embark on a special journey. A journey to find out how the universe remembers. From a tiny speck of dust, a drop of water, a carbon molecule, to DNA, all carry traces of energy. Three materials will guide us through the story: Sio₂, H₂O, and carbon. And the big question: how does energy know how to write code? A space, nebula, dust particles flying in light. A fast-forward sand, water, carbon, DNA transition. A mysterious soft music. Understand. Silicon dioxide, or Sio₂, the stuff glass and sand are made of, is the first material in the story. When light passes through it, it doesn't stand still. It bends, it absorbs, it scatters. And each time it does, Sio₂ leaves a tiny imprint in the crystal structure. You can think of Sio₂ as the first page the universe ever wrote on. A light passing through quartz, glass. A refraction effect. A sand grains in sunlight, macroscopic crystals. Understand. When energy passes through Sio₂, it leaves traces in the form of cracks, colors, opacity, crystal shapes. Both the ability to conduct and block energy are information. Sio₂ is where light writes the first characters on matter. A weathering of rocks, crystal fractures. A zooming of Sio₂ lattice structure. A light rays passing through crystal corners. Understand. If Sio₂ is the hard paper, then water is the soft paper of the universe. A drop of water falling on a rock leaves a spreading circle. A flowing river leaves a valley. Water does not just flow. It remembers. It remembers by shape, by heat, and by the polarity of the water molecule itself. A slow motion water drops. A winding rivers, waterfalls. A 3D water molecules moving according to electric fields. Understand. Water is nature's temporary recorder, where information is stored before being engraved into more durable materials. Every movement, every vibration, every small change in water is information. A macro water surface creates waves. A ice melts into water and flows. A water changes color according to light. Understand. And then there's carbon, the foundation of life. Carbon has abilities that few atoms have. Strong bonds, diverse structures, easy to record energy traces. Carbon is where energy doesn't just pass through, it's recorded. A diamond, graphite, coal. An image of a carbon network. An electric discharge burns carbon. Understand. The burns, the oxidation, the bonds broken and reformed, all are memories of energy. From simple carbon chains stretched into polymers, which eventually became DNA, the universe's oldest diary. Polymerization. 3D DNA helix. Images moving as if recording data. Understand. Information is not created by itself. Information is the trace energy leaves when it passes through matter. Light leaves color. Electricity leaves a burn. Heat leaves expansion. Motion leaves shape. Life leaves DNA. Physical images change with energy. Each example clearly illustrates Time is not a clock hand. It is the sum of small changes that energy creates. A crack in a rock, a growth ring on a tree, a grey hair, all are written by time. A rotten trees, worn rocks, grey hair. A time lapse changes over time. Understand. So, how does the universe remember? It writes with energy. It uses time as ink. It chooses carbon as its most durable book. And humans, the result of billions of years of remembering. When we trace the memories of the universe, we are tracing our own origins. A DNA cells humans, the whole earth. The emotional music, oriented towards life and the universe.